Is there any one piece of advice you'd give to a struggling trader?
My piece of advice, I guess, is the same sort of advice that most people will give in this type of environment. Stay at it, cut the position size if you're nervous. You don't have to enter every single trade, but I have learned so much this year by trading, and with good risk management, you do keep your losses down and there are winners. And I suspect psychologically this year will have been very testing for people. So you've got to keep listening to the blogs, chatting, getting on the Skype groups, hearing what other people are doing to keep morale up and keep moving forward, because it is an environment in which we can still make money.
Yeah, that's fantastic. That's a great piece of advice because I think a lot of people can get a little scared, and the amount that you learn just being in the market, I think, is huge, right?
You can't backtest some of these psychological lessons.
Good point.
You only get the psychological stuff by being in today, last week. It doesn't matter how much backtesting you do. You don't get the fear.
You don't get the feeling, do you?
No.